Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a slip knot and a chain. So the first thing you want to do is wrap the yarn around your finger, like so. Then you want to pull that back loop to the front, and then that front loop over the back. And then voila, you have your slip knot. There you go. That's the easiest way for me. I'll show you again in slow-mo. Wrap the yarn around your finger twice. Take that back loop, bring it over the front loop. Then take that front loop and bring it over the back loop and pull tightly. And there you go, you have our slip knot. Now for the chain, you go ahead and insert your hook. Tighten up the slip knot around your hook. Then you yarn over, pull through a loop. Yarn over again, pull through a loop. Bring the yarn over again, pull through the loop. Yarn over again, pull through the loop. It's that easy and simple. Just keep on yarning over till you get as many as you want. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. That easy. And you have your chain right there. I'll show you again the slip knot. Pull tightly. Insert your hook into the yarn and tighten up around the hook. Yarn over, pull through a loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. That easy and that simple for a crochet chain. Pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. And there you have your chain, your crochet chain. Watch this as many times as you want until you get it. I hope that this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Strings and Things is